Each drive is different. Even the most routine trip can encounter the unexpected. And with Car and Driver Road Patrol on your windshield, you'll be ready to avoid collisions, to remain focused on the road, and to record those crucial moments when the unexpected does happen, so you can protect yourself and your side of the story with irrefutable evidence. The Road Patrol Dashcam is equipped with both forward collision and lane departure warning systems, as well as the ability to record what happens on the road on a loop, so you never run out of storage space. And the built-in G-sensor detects incidents and locks in video to prevent overwriting. Not to mention parking mode, which automatically starts recording if your vehicle is hit while parked. With a 3.7-inch screen displaying a 145-degree view in 1080p HD with high dynamic range for optimum resolution and storage capability up to 128 gigabytes, the Road Patrol ensures you'll never miss a thing, whether in your car or away from it, potentially saving you from insurance liability, a damaged driving record, money loss, and worry. When you combine this kind of clarity and security, you get peace of mind. You get the Car and Driver Road Patrol.